Love the Boomstick Trio? Today I'm showing you how to make your own natural, affordable, and customizable version right at home. Hey there, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. I'm going to walk you through how to make this 3-in-1 beauty balm trio. A glow balm, a flush balm, and a shimmer balm. Using clean natural ingredients you can find at simplyearth.com. Here's what you will need for the first recipe. Half a tablespoon of mango butter, half a teaspoon of cetyl alcohol, half a teaspoon of almond oil, 1/32 teaspoon of pearl mica powder, 2 drops Brazilian's essential oil blend, and a rectangle cosmetic tin. In a double boiler or in a microwave in short bursts, melt half a tablespoon of mango butter, half a teaspoon of cetyl alcohol, and half a teaspoon of almond oil. Once melted, remove from heat. Stir in 1/32 teaspoon of pearl mica powder and 2 drops of Brazilian's essential oil blend. Pour into your cosmetic tin and let it cool completely. This balm gives you a dewy, moisturizing base and it smells amazing. For the Dewy Flush Balm, what you'll need is 1 teaspoon of DIY mineral makeup base, a 1/4 teaspoon of fuchsia mica powder, 1/8 teaspoon red iron oxide, half a teaspoon of jojoba oil, half a tablespoon of mango butter, half a teaspoon of cetyl alcohol, 3 drops of Beauty Within essential oil blend, and a rectangle cosmetic tin. In a bowl or DIY coffee grinder mix 1 teaspoon mineral makeup base, a 1/4 teaspoon of fuchsia mica powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of red iron oxide. In a double boiler, melt half a teaspoon of jojoba oil, half a tablespoon of mango butter, and half a teaspoon of cetyl alcohol. Remove from heat and stir in 3 drops of Beauty Within essential oil. Add your powder blend and stir until smooth. Pour it into the tin and let it set. This flush balm gives you a healthy, natural pop of color. You can totally customize the shade too. Now for the shimmer balm, what you will need is 1 teaspoon of DIY mineral makeup base, half a teaspoon of pearl mica powder, half a teaspoon of jojoba oil, half a tablespoon of coconut oil solid, half a teaspoon of cetyl alcohol, 3 drops Beauty Within essential oil blend, and 1 rectangle cosmetic tin. First, you're gonna blend 1 teaspoon of mineral makeup base with half a teaspoon of pearl mica powder. Then you're gonna melt together half a teaspoon of jojoba oil, half a tablespoon of solid coconut oil, and half a teaspoon of cetyl alcohol in a double boiler. Remove from the heat and stir in 3 drops of essential oil. Add powder blend and mix well. Pour it into the tin and let it cool. This is your natural highlighter, super subtle but so pretty. And there you have it, your very own Boomstick inspired balm trio. Glow, flush, and shimmer, all made by you. Subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box to get everything you need delivered monthly. Let's make natural beauty fun and simple. See you next time.